What you're about to witness is not a simple repair. It's the astonishing resurrection of a forgotten champion. Every frayed cable tells a story of past glories waiting to be reclaimed. In these hands, a quiet transformation is about to unfold. Stay with us to uncover the secrets of this mechanical rebirth. The first delicate adjustments begin where precision is everything. Each turn of the wrench is a step towards its former perfection. With an expert's touch, the front derailleur is carefully realigned. Now, the core of the machine is inspected. The bottom bracket assembly holds the key to its future performance. Old grease is painstakingly cleared away. But beneath the surface, a hidden truth is revealed. Years of neglect have led to extensive corrosion. The painstaking process of stripping away the decay begins. A special compound is applied, preparing the metal for its new life. The frame is now a blank canvas, ready for its transformation. The first coat of primer seals its renewed foundation. Next, the foundation for the design is meticulously laid out. Every line must be perfect, every measurement exact. Faint guidelines emerge, mapping out the future identity. Precision marking ensures a flawless final design. With the frame carefully masked, the artistry begins. An airbrush applies a vibrant, custom blue hue. A subtle gradient effect is crafted, adding depth and character. The moment of truth arrives as the masking is gently peeled away. The crisp, clean lines of the new design are unveiled. The classic Panasonic DX5 valve branding is restored. Its legendary name gleams once more against the fresh paint. With the frame reborn, attention turns to the wheel's core. The intricate free-hub body is prepared for reassembly. Every tiny component is handled with immense care. The crankset, the heart of the drivetrain, is next. Each bolt is torqued to precise specifications. The iconic chainrings polished and ready. A gleaming testament to timeless engineering. Even the pedals are completely disassembled and restored. Fresh bearings are installed, ensuring a smooth ride for years to come. Every component is inspected on a specialized cloth. A container reveals a treasure trove of restored parts. Each piece, a small victory in this grand restoration. The polished crank arms wait for their moment. Tiny fasteners are secured with delicate precision. The final details of the crankset are brought together. A perforated object bearing its distinctive logo. A high-performance lubricant is chosen for reassembly. A small component is carefully attached to the chainring. Final adjustments are made to the gleaming crankset. Attention now returns to the wheel hub. The meticulously cleaned cassette is prepared for installation. Each cog slides perfectly into place. torque wrench ensures the cassette is secured to perfection. The final lock ring is tightened, completing the wheel's core. Now, the reborn frame is ready for its heart. The bottom bracket is carefully guided into the Panasonic frame. A generous amount of grease ensures flawless operation. Next, the headset is pressed into the head tube. A special compound is applied to the threads. The new bottom bracket bearing is installed. Slowly and carefully, it is tightened into place. Each turn is deliberate, avoiding any damage to the new paint. The final tightening secures the assembly. The gleaming bottom bracket is now part of the frame. The assembly is almost complete. The final stage begins, protecting the flawless new finish. A clear protective component is fitted onto the teal frame. This crucial layer will guard against scratches and wear. Each piece is designed to fit the frame's unique contours. The installation continues with meticulous care. The clear component is almost invisible against the shimmering blue paint. This transparent armor preserves the bike's beauty. A protective cap is carefully applied. Every part of the frame receives this protective treatment. Another piece is seamlessly fitted to the metallic finish. The clear component adheres perfectly to the frame's shape. It offers durable protection without hiding the artistry beneath. The process is repeated across the entire frame. Each piece is a testament to the level of detail in this restoration. A perfect fit ensures comprehensive protection. The glossy blue surface is now shielded from the elements. The metallic frame is now fully armored. The final clear parts are pressed into place. One last component for the metallic blue frame. The final cap is attached, completing the preservation process. The legend, restored and protected, is ready for its next chapter. A masterpiece reborn from history.